Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss chemical properties of metals and non-metals. Under this heading, first we are going to study reaction of metals and non-metals with oxygen. So in this topic, first we study reaction of oxygen with metals. Is it clear? You are very much familiar about the rusting of iron. What is the rusting of iron actually? Iron react with atmospheric gases like oxygen and water in presence of carbon dioxide, because carbon dioxide gave acidic nature to the water and they form iron oxide Fe2O3 plus FeO. So what is the formula for the rust? Fe3O4, and it is brown in color. Fe3O4 actually is the mixture of two compound FeO and Fe2O3. Listen again. Iron react with oxygen and water, both present in the air. Water has the humidity in presence of CO2. This CO2 provide acid nature to the water that facilitate the rusting on the iron, right? Basically, reaction take place between iron, oxygen and water, and that form different compounds Fe2O3 plus FeO plus FeOH whole thrice, etc. Combinedly, we give the formula for the rust is Fe3O4. Is it clear? And Fe3O4 is brown in color. So it is a mixture of two compounds FeO and Fe2O3. Another example, when we burn magnesium in air. So magnesium react important part of your air with oxygen. As you know, oxygen is helpful in the burning, and when we burn anything in oxygen, we form its oxide will form, right? मैग्नीशियम वायर को आपने जलते हुए देखा होगा लैब में, या फिर जो दिवाली के क्रैकर्स में आप फुलझड़ी जलाते हैं उसमें मैग्नीशियम चिप्स जो है वो सल्फर एंड अदर जो चीजें क्रैकर्स में यूज होती हैं उनके साथ पेस्ट बना के वायर के ऊपर लगाया होता है. तो जो इम्पोर्टेंट कंपोनेंट है उसमें जो आपको स्पार्कल दिखाई देते हैं व्हाइट कलर के, दैट इज ड्यू टू द मैग्नीशियम चिप्स. Is it clear? So I think everyone seen that. So magnesium react with oxygen. It gives magnesium oxide MgO. Is it clear? What is the formula for magnesium oxide? MgO. It is white color powder, and basically magnesium oxide are white grayish shiny crystals, or we can say shiny chips. Now we do one activity here. We want to check what is the nature of oxides of metal. So we are taking first the iron oxide. To check the nature of iron oxide, we do this activity 4.3. We will take some iron nails, put them in the water in a test tube, leave that for 2-3 days. You will see the solution become brown in color and rest suspended in the water. You take out this water in a watch glass and put litmus paper. Red litmus paper turns blue in color. That means metal oxides are basic in nature. You can do one test with magnesium oxide also, because magnesium oxide is also a basic oxide because it is a metallic oxide. So do this test with magnesium oxide also. मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड के लिए टेस्ट करने के लिए आप क्या करेंगे? मैग्नीशियम रिबन जो आपने बर्न किया एयर में, कलेक्ट द व्हाइट पाउडर इन अ टेस्ट ट्यूब. Add hot water and shake well, and add 2 drops of phenolphthalein. You read that in class 7. Phenolphthalein is acid base indicator, synthetic indicator, और we can say chemical है ये एक. तो phenolphthalein जो है वो basic solutions में pink color देता है. You add few drops of phenolphthalein in this magnesium oxide solution. Is it clear? That change into magnesium hydroxide MgOH whole twice in water. Right? So it also changes into the blue color. So that means, or it is indicated from these two activities, that is metal oxides are basic in nature. Correct? So in this way you do these two activities to check the nature of the oxides of metals. Other than that, you see in your daily life, copper vessels get rusted, and rust color is green deposition over the surface of copper vessels. So how this green deposition is formed? Copper react with air Again the same components H2O, CO2 and O2, and form CuOH whole twice and CuCO3. CuOH whole twice is copper hydroxide and CuCO3 is copper carbonate. तो जो रस्ट या जो कोरोजन मटेरियल फॉर्म होता है कॉपर के वेसल्स पर, उसका कलर ग्रीन होता है and two main compounds are there, copper hydroxide and copper carbonate, and they combinedly form green color coating over the exposed surfaces of the copper vessels. Is it clear? And what are the requirement to form the corrosion of copper? These are the water, carbon dioxide and oxygen. Again, if you check the behavior of this solution, copper hydroxide, copper carbonate solution, again it turns red litmus blue. That means they also the basic in nature. So what is the conclusion? That is metal oxides are basic in nature. And another important example or important activity, we are going to check the behavior of non-metal towards the oxygen. Are non-metals also react with oxygen? For example, well-known example, carbon react with oxygen and form carbon dioxide. Carbon in the form of coal, it is present in our daily life, right? Black color का कोल होता है पत्थर जैसा, तो उसको जब, इसके अलावा लकड़ी के कोयले भी होते हैं, उनको अगर आप ऑक्सीजन में बर्न करते हैं, इट इज एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन, एनर्जी रिलीज होती है और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फॉर्म होती है, राइट? सिमिलरली टू चेक द नेचर ऑफ the non-metal oxide, we will do the activity 4.4. For this activity, we take small amount of sulfur and we burn as per the diagram in a spatula, right? अगर आपके पास spatula नहीं है तो आप इस तरह बना भी सकते हैं. और ये deflagrating spoon होता है, ये this one is deflagrating spoon. If it is not available to you, एक बॉटल का ढक्कन लीजिए और उसके नेक में इस तरीके से वायर को ट्विस्ट करके बांध दीजिए. तो इस तरह से भी आप अपना डिफ्लैग्रेटिंग स्पून बना सकते हैं. किसी भी कंटेनर के अंदर इसको रख दीजिए और इसमें सल्फर को बर्न कीजिए एंड कवर दिस वन. आफ्टर सम टाइम इट पुट ऑफ द फायर एंड देन यू एड स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर इनटू दिस जार एंड swirl it. अच्छे से हिलाइए. तो जो सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड है दैट डिसॉल्व्ड इन द water, then you test this water, it turns blue litmus into in red color. ठीक है, कौन करते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू योर 7th क्लास स्टडी? कौन करते हैं ब्लू लिटमस को रेड? एसिड्स. दैट मीन्स नॉन मेटल ऑक्साइड्स आर एसिडिक इन नेचर. दिस टेस्ट यू कैन डू विद सोडा वाटर ऑल्सो. सोडा वाटर की बॉटल होती है जो हम लेमोनेड बनाने के लिए लाते हैं. If you test this soda water with the litmus paper, this soda water also turn blue litmus paper into the red color. Is it clear? So in this way we test the oxides of metal and non-metal. Now you have the table metal and non-metal in acids and in base. We will complete this table. Complete कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, मेटल क्या प्रेजेंट है? कैल्शियम. नेम ऑफ द एसिड, ये दूसरा टेबल है. फर्स्ट यू कंप्लीट दिस वन टेबल, दिस वन पार्ट ऑफ द टेबल. अनदर एग्जाम्पल मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, फॉर्मूला MgOH होल ट्वाइस. सो व्हाट इज द मेटल इन मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड? मैग्नीशियम. अगेन सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, थर्ड वन इज सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. व्हाट इज द मेटल? सोडियम. Another is potassium hydroxide. What is the metal here? Potassium, K. Copper hydroxide, CuOH whole twice. What is the metal here? Copper. Iron hydroxide, FeOH whole thrice. What is the metal here? Fe. So किसी भी मेटल में OH ऐड करके आप क्या बना सकते हैं? हाइड्रोक्साइड ऐड करके आप क्या बना सकते हैं? बेस बना सकते हैं. कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, मेटल इज कैल्शियम. Iron hydroxide, metal is iron. Sodium hydroxide, metal is sodium. Potassium hydroxide, metal is potassium. Magnesium hydroxide, metal is magnesium. Is it clear? In this way you can prepare a number of bases. किसी भी metal के आगे hydroxide लगा के you can prepare its base. Is it clear? Aluminium. So aluminium is metal. If you put hydroxide in front of that one, you get aluminium hydroxide base. So this is the technique to prepare the bases. Thank you.